I'm Aaron with Three Tails RV, and today we're here with Scott, who is the Tennessee Valley Clean Tank dealer. He's here in Amana, and we're going to go ahead and get our tank cleaned. But first I wanted to talk about some of the things that Clean Tank has to offer, and you get to hear it from the man himself.
So Aaron, as you know, most people get frustrated with their RV holding tanks, right? The sensors don't work, slow flow, maybe some clogs, smells. Just about everybody encounters, some sewer smell, maybe a sour smell. So what Clean Tank does is we get your tanks, we say factory clean with a K. We go up through the sewer pipe with a specialized industrial hydrojetting head, and we go up into each tank, and we're shooting 1500 psi water backwards to just hydroblast the inside of the tank. We can get the sludge, the mold, the mildew, all the buildup that gets those sensors working again and gets the things out that you just can't get out by simply dumping your tanks and maybe putting a little water in them. That's right.
But you also do the gray water tanks also, right?
Yeah, so the process includes going into all the tanks. We usually start with the black tank, and then typically an RV has one or two other gray tanks, and we go up into all of them. We almost always can get into them, and it's very, very effective. In the event we can't get into a tank, we do a detergent rinse and still get it a lot cleaner than it was. But in most cases, we can get up into it depending on how the piping is laid out. But it's very, very successful. So another service that we do as part of the base price is for a standard water heater, a water heater that has a tank. We do a complimentary flush and inspection of the inside of the tank. If you're inclined and you want to know how to do it, because some people are afraid to touch it, we show you that it's really quite simple. How to do the relief valve, how to take the plug or the anode out, drain it, and then wand it out, make sure that all the corrosion or anything, sediment, anything in there is out, and then put it back together again. So Clean Tank's all about education. We want to teach you to maintain your holding tanks and your water tanks as well as you possibly can.
Is there a process to clean the freshwater tank?
Oh, so what you're referring to is the annual sanitization process.
Right.
So we encourage RV owners to do at least once a year fresh tank sanitization. Your owner's manual will tell you how to do it. You can also go to our website. There's a ratio of bleach to fresh water based on the size of your tanks. And there's two different recipes. One involves bleach, one involves vinegar, and one is a 12-hour process and the other is a 24-hour process. And you could go to cleantank.com and get that information, or look in your owner's manual. We offer the service, but we typically recommend the RV owner do that. It's simple, and doing it themselves, they can schedule it when it's not going to interrupt their trip.
Okay.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show